Hello friends, welcome to our channel. The topic of today's video is essay on Sikkim in English. This essay is a detailed essay, so you can write this essay in your Sikkim project. Let's start. We will write this essay with headings. The first heading is General Introduction of Sikkim, then History of Sikkim, Geography of Sikkim, Culture of Sikkim, Major Festivals, Costumes, Folk Dance, Food, Source of livelihood, transportation, roads, railway and aviation, famous tourist place of Sikkim, best time to visit and conclusion. We will write our essay with a slogan. The slogan is attracts a lot minds of tourists. Sikkim was called Switzerland of East. General introduction of Sikkim. Sikkim is a hilly state located in the northeastern India. It is the second least populated state in India. English, Gorkha Khas language, Lepcha, Bhutia, Limbu and Hindi are the official languages of Sikkim. Hindu and Vajrayan Buddhism are the main religions of Sikkim. Gangtok is the capital and largest city of Sikkim. Kanchenjunga, world's third highest mountain range, is also located in Sikkim. Sikkim is the 22nd state of India. Chief Minister of Sikkim is Mr. Prem Singh Tamang. The population of Sikkim is 6,10,577. The area of Sikkim is 7,096 km square. History of Sikkim. Sikkim came into existence in 1642 when Phuntsog Namgyal was declared the first Chogyal king of Sikkim. Namgyal was declared king by 3 Buddhist monks. The monarchy started in Sikkim in this manner, after which the Namgyal dynasty ruled Sikkim for 333 years. India attained independence in 1947. After this, different princely states were merged in India under the leadership of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. In this series, a referendum was also held in Sikkim in 1975. In the referendum, 97.5% of the people were in favor of India, after which the Constitution Amendment Bill to make Sikkim the 22nd state of India was introduced in the Lok Sabha on 23rd April 1975. It was passed the same day by a vote of 299 and 11. In the Rajya Sabha, the bill was passed on 26th April and on 15th May 1975. As soon as President Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed signed the bill, the rule of the Namgyal dynasty came to an end. Geography of Sikkim. Sikkim is a hill state located in the northeastern part of India. It is one of the smallest states in India. Sikkim is bordered by the Tibet Autonomous Region of China to the north and northeast, by Bhutan to the southeast, by the Indian state of West Bengal to the south, and by Nepal to the west. The capital is Gangtok in the southeastern part of the state. The third highest peak in the world, Kanchenjunga, which is considered to be the defense goddess of Sikkim, exudes its enchanting natural beauty. Sikkim is one of the 18 major regions of the world full of biodiversity. Culture of Sikkim. Major festivals. Sikkim is mainly inhabited by Bhutia, Lepcha and Nepali communities. Maghi Sankranti, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja and Chaitra Dasai, Ram Navami, Dasai, Sonam Losung, Namsung, Tendong Halo Rumphot, worship of the Mount of Tendong, Losar, Tibetan New Year are the major festivals of the state. Other festivals include Sakeva Rai, Sonam Lachur, Gurung, Barahimjong, Magar etc. Costumes. The costumes of Sikkim reflect the social and cultural lifestyles of the major communities that are Lepcha, Bhutia and Nepali. The three communities of Lepcha, Bhutia and Nepal wear different costumes, which further enhance the diversity found in the state. Among the prominent costumes of Sikkim are Bakhu, Kho, Chuba and Go. Folk dance. The major dances of Sikkim are Chu Phut dance, Sikmari, Singhai Cham or Snow Loyan dance, Yak Cham, Denjong Nenha, Tashi Yanguku dance, Khurkhuri dance, Chutki dance, Maruni dance, etc. Rice is a staple food and fermented foods traditionally constitute a significant portion of the cuisine. Many restaurants in Sikkim serve various types of Nepalese cuisine, such as the Neva and Thakli cuisines. Tibetan cuisine has also influenced Sikkim's cuisine. Source of livelihood. In Sikkim, more than 64% population depends on agriculture for their livelihood. Arable land in Sikkim is about 1,09,000 hectares, which is 15.36% of the total geographical area. Maize, rice, wheat, potato, large cardamom, ginger and orange are the major crops here. Sikkim is the largest producer of large cardamom in the country. Ginger, potatoes, oranges and non-seasonal vegetables are other cash crops. Though industrially Sikkim has been declared a backward state many centuries ago, there have been Assyrian-based traditional Sikkim cottage industries. Transportation. Roads. Gangtok, the capital of Sikkim, is connected to Darjeeling, Kalimpong, Siliguri and all the districts headquarters of Sikkim by road. 41 km. The total length of roads in the state, including national highways, is 2,933.49 km. Out of these, 873.40 km roads have been built by Border Roads Organization. Railways and aviation. The nearest railway stations of the state are Siliguri 113 km and New Jalpaiguri 125 km, from where one can travel to Kolkata, Delhi, Guwahati, Lucknow and other important cities of the country. There is no airport in Sikkim. Helicopter service is provided between Gangtok and Bagdogra. Famous tourist place of Sikkim. Sikkim is one of the major tourist destinations in India with peaks, sacred lakes, ancient monasteries, orchid nurseries and stunning trekking routes, making Sikkim a perfect holiday place. The major sightseeing places of Sikkim are Gangtok, Mangan, Yumthang Valley, Lachen Village, Guru Dogar Mal Lake, etc. Best time to visit. The best time to visit Sikkim state is the months of April and May. The Sikkim state receives 4 months of snow in the winter and is prone to landslides during the monsoons. Therefore, the summer season is considered to be very pleasant and suitable for visiting. Conclusion. Sikkim state is one of the most beautiful states in the country. Sikkim captivates everyone with its natural beauty. The snow-capped mountains and naturally flowing waterfalls of Sikkim are very beautiful. A place with such beautiful scenery is definitely worth visiting. So friends, in this way you can write this essay with your own creativity in your project. And if you want, you can reduce some headings also. So friends, best of luck, and if this video is helpful for you, then please like, share, subscribe and also comment. Thanks for watching.